Take a ride in the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.